find very embarrassing actually. I don't know whether I've done so much in my life that I deserve this. I remember when first time Srinidhi shared with me that he wants to make a wax statue for his museum. So I told him, so still I have miles to go. I don't really deserve this, but he insisted that he really wants to do it. And every time he shared with me, he wants to unveil it. I always used to get those goosebumps that I still remember those times when I first time came to Mumbai and I never knew a single soul in this place, and I just had few addresses of few people that I wanted to meet, and an engineer who finished his degree from Nagpur and wanted to pursue his dream as an actor. Today I feel that I've come a long way, but I wish my mom and dad were here to see this happen. I remember when Sunil had come to my place and my dad was there, and I told him that they're making a wax statue, and I shared with him that I really want him to see it. Though I lost him 5 months back, but I'm sure with his wishes, I'm standing here. So thank you so much, Deepakji, for taking out time and making this day so special for us. And thank you so much, sir. Good man, thank you so much. And what I can say about this genius, Sunil sir, I think when he just shared the picture with me that he's making this thing, I was stunned. I said, is it real? How can someone be so talented that you make something which is so exact? I was sitting there and I was just looking at the statue and I was thinking, how can someone do that? I've traveled across the world. We have seen various statues at the best of places in the world where all the people travel. But something like this, it's not because it's my thing, but something so identical, I haven't seen till date. So you're brilliant, sir. Thank you so much for this honor. And I'm speechless, that's it. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you. When Sunilji told me that you are taking your time for this, so I was really honored. Thank you so much.
When I see the statue that he has done, मुझे लगता है कि मैं एक मिरर की इमेज देख रहा हूँ. It's so close, so nice, और इतना रियल और आइडेंटिकल मैंने कभी कुछ ऐसा नहीं देखा है. So all thanks to this great man, इतने कमाल के आर्टिस्ट हैं कि उन्होंने एकदम जो इमेज बनाई है मेरी, तो मैं खुद ही दंग रह गया.
स्टैचू के लिए आपने किस तरह का अपने प्रिपरेशन किया और किस तरह का आपका कॉम्पिटिशन रहा?
देखिए, प्रिपरेशन मैंने नहीं, मैं तो खड़ा हुआ था और ये जीनियस जो है मेरे साथ खड़े हुए, इन्होंने पूरे मेजरमेंट्स लिए. 2-3 घंटे लगे इनको लेने के लिए. बट जब मैं ये इमेज देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि क्यों इतना वक्त लगा इन लोगों को, क्योंकि इतना प्रिसाइज और इतना एक्यूरेट है कि I'm really surprised.
सोनू मैडम के साथ में भी इतना एक्यूरेट नहीं बन रहा है.
जी.
शाहरुख का आपने देखा होगा.
जी.
अमिताभ बच्चन का, लेकिन जो इंडियन आर्टिस्ट इतने अच्छा इंडियन आर्टिस्ट के बारे में
देखिए, मैं यही कहूँगा कि सब बोलते हैं ना कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, वैसा वाला काम है. जो इतने कमाल के आर्टिस्ट हैं कि आप दुनिया में कहीं भी कितने बड़े बड़े आप म्यूजियम्स में चले जाएं, लेकिन इतनी एक्यूरेसी आपको कहीं नहीं देखने को मिलेगी. इट्स नॉट क्योंकि मेरा है, मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, बट आई थिंक आप सबके सामने हैं और आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना एग्जैक्ट है हर चीज़. सो आई थिंक हमें एज इंडियंस गर्व महसूस होता है, प्राउड फील होता है कि जब हमें पता चलता है कि हम भी उसी देश के अंदर हैं जहाँ पे इतने कमाल के आर्टिस्ट हैं.